everyone, and welcome back to my channel where I talk all things Disney. My name is Shannon with Main Street and Beyond Travel Company, and today we are going to continue our Disney World vacation planning journey and move on to video number 3 in our series, and we are going to be talking about your Fastpass Plus reservations. Yay, super exciting. And we're also going to be looking at some things you might want to start ordering to start preparing for your Disney World vacation. So let's get started. All right, welcome back everyone. I wanted to start today with kind of going over what we did in those first 2 videos in the Walt Disney World Vacation Planning series. So in video number 1, if you haven't seen it yet, I'm gonna put a link up in the top corner here for you guys to check that out, and that's a good place to start because that's going to happen about 1.5 years to a year out from your check-in date, and that's when you want to start putting together your Disney vacation package and when you want to start doing a whole bunch of Disney research. Like, cram your brain with as much Disney as you can get. All right, and then we moved on to video number 2, where we fast forwarded to about 6 months out from your check-in date, and we started to create your very basic itinerary in order to make those necessary dining reservations that come out 180 days before your check-in date. All right, normally. So let's move on today. Like I said, we're going to be talking about Fastpass Plus and buying things you need. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you can get notified anytime I upload a new Disney vacation planning video. All right, so we've just fast forwarded to 60 days before your Disney World check-in date, which is so exciting. It's almost here, but there's still so much that needs to happen in this time frame. So 60 days out, the biggest thing you want to make sure you are doing is booking those Fastpass Plus reservations. Now, if you are staying on Walt Disney World property, you get access to these Fastpass Plus reservations 60 days before your check-in, whereas everyone else only gets it 30 days. So that's one of the huge benefits of staying on Disney World property. I'm going to do a whole video on benefits of staying on property because I love it, so watch for that. But again, book those Disney Fastpass Plus reservations 60 days out. They become available right at 7 a.m. and you're going to want to get on there and book it fast. All right, so with these fast passes, this is where, once again, you may want to be a little bit flexible with your Disney itinerary unless you have those very nice to have park hopper tickets, because there's going to be some certain rides maybe you absolutely want to ride and you want to ride with a fast pass, or you know they always have a long line. I'm going to put a whole bunch of rides on the screen right now that always have a long line, so if you ever see these fast passes available, grab them ASAP because these are some hot commodities on Disney World property. Okay, grab those fast passes here. But if you say, for example, if you're on there and you notice that Seven Dwarfs Mine Train has an availability for, your party at 10 a.m. on a certain day that you weren't supposed to be there, you may want to grab that unless you want to stand in a 3 or 4 hour line that day in order to ride Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. So again, just try to be flexible with that itinerary. See what dining reservations you can move around if you want to move any around. But this may be also where you might decide you want to upgrade to a park hopper ticket if you opted to just get a base ticket. And that's because now, if you have a great dining reservation for the morning and you have a great fast pass for a different park later in the evening, you can do that. You'll go have breakfast there, relax around the one park in the morning, take Disney transportation over to the next park to get that super great fast pass that's hard to get. Okay, so again, this is where you really want to be flexible with your itinerary when you are booking your Fastpass Plus reservations. So you might be wondering, how do I get these Fastpass Plus reservations? Like, I want to make sure I have no issues on the day that I have to grab them, and that's a great question. So currently, I would show you guys on the screen here how to do it, but the Fastpass Plus system is down through the remainder of 2020 with hopes that it will return in January 2021. But I do have a guide on my website that I want to show you guys. And if you just go to Main Street and Beyond Travel.com, I'll put the link here to the exact guide you'll want, and you go /membership. I have a whole Disney planning membership you guys can purchase with over 300 plus pages of Disney World guides. Like, I did a guide for each park, dining, resorts. I did a whole book on how to book Fastpass reservations, how to book dining reservations, so definitely go check that out if you haven't. And then once they have the Fastpass Plus reservation system back up, I'll make sure to upload a video with how exactly to do that. All right, so just to kind of recap our Fastpass Plus reservations, because I know it can sometimes be a lot, you'll definitely want to be doing your research of which ones you should get if you do see them available. Like, do not ever waste like a Fastpass on the Mad Tea Party. I don't even know if that one has a Fastpass. I'm just kind of like winging it. But anyways, do your Fastpass Plus research and which ones you should and shouldn't get if you see that they are available, because some lines are typically longer than the others. Also, they become available 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, Walt Disney World time, Florida time. 60 days before check-in if you're staying on property. 30 days before check-in if you are not staying on Disney property. Okay, so again, that's one of those huge benefits of having the Fastpass Plus reservation. All right, let's move on. Do you guys like my shirt? It's from Childless Millennial Pretzel Company. I'll put their shop on the screen here. It's so cute. I'm so excited to wear it into the Magic Kingdom on Halloween Day. Okay, we are moving on to what items you should start thinking about that you need to bring on your Walt Disney World vacation. Now, this is like 60 days through before you leave. I don't want you to go and order a whole bunch of stuff on Amazon that's just gonna sit in boxes in your house for the next 2 months. Like, all I'm saying is right now, start thinking of things you may need to order, some things you didn't think to bring. Look up a lot of blog posts on things you should bring for Disney, including my own. I did one of must-have essentials for Disney that you may not have thought to pack, so I'm going to put that in the description below along with everything else. Like always, it'll be in the description. But definitely check that out. Do your research on things you should bring, because you'll want to avoid spending extra money in the park that you really didn't plan on spending. And I'm talking about like ponchos, because it rains every single day in Florida for hours, okay? I cannot tell you how many times I watch people drop $50, $60 on ponchos for their family at Disney. All the time. It literally happens all the time when they sell them on Amazon for like 10 bucks for like a 50 pack. It's crazy. So again, don't spend that unnecessary money unless that can be considered a souvenir for you, and then you always have those Disney ponchos. I didn't do that. Okay, so aside from ponchos, some other things, again, they're in my blog posts, but you may not have thought to bring like a little mini fan that hangs around your neck. There was also these super cool fans. I was there last time that like go around your neck and like blow fans. Those are going to be on my next trip to Disney. You're going to catch me in those around the park. You may not have thought, you can even rent a stroller from Kingdom Strollers. I'll put up their link on the screen here, as well as put the link in the description so you don't have to lug that around. There's tons of things that you can look up and be bringing. Another thing a lot of people do is buy child safety bracelets. So if your child does get lost, your contact information is on there for a cast member to see and easily call you, because every time you're at Disney, there's a kid lost. All right, well, it's cute because at Disney, they say the parent is lost to kind of calm the children down. They say, is your mom or dad lost? And the kids are like, oh, that's cool. I'm not lost. They're lost. Anyways, little Disney moment there, but it's cute. All right, well, that's really it for this video here. We just needed to primarily talk about those very, very important Fastpass Plus reservations. Maybe start thinking of things that you should be ordering. Be sure to join us in video number 4, where we're gonna fast forward to about 1 month before your check-in date and what you should be doing, getting everything situated, online check-in, things like that. So again, be sure to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell so you can get notified when I do upload that. Comment below, what are you excited for your next Disney vacation? Until next time, guys, stay magical.